I'm now going to talk about a knowledge exchange project in relation to wellbeing and police inspectors. This project was jointly funded by the ESRC and the Inspectors Central Committee of the Police Federation of England and Wales. It follows on directly from the Time for Justice report, and it is an initiative which seeks to raise awareness of the risks to health, wellbeing and organisational performance that arise directly from a long hours culture in the police service, and to develop some practical interventions that will help to monitor, manage and balance police inspectors' hours of work. Inspectors are the operational managers in the police service, and this group have been disproportionately affected by budget cuts. As resourcing is cut back without any reduction in service delivery expectation, in the words of Her Majesty's Inspectorate of Constabulary, there will be no cuts in frontline policing, the demands on police inspectors have increased. This means longer hours which are worked more intensively. Police culture is a macho and conservative one, such that most inspectors feel compelled to work ever longer hours rather than to defy orders or to admit an inability to manage their workload. Force reports are developed as part of the project, which compare the survey results from individual forces with the national picture and also allow for inter-force comparisons. These reports recount the long hours and adverse effects on individuals which such long hours produce. These are disseminated in advance of and discussed at a series of regional workshops. Senior managers, including HR managers and specialists from occupational health and safety, and policymakers, including police and crime commissioners, are all encouraged to attend. Policy and practice briefings are developed through this discussion and are fed forward from previous workshops. In the absence of a proper recording of hours at the force level, a phone app has been developed as part of the project. This allows inspectors to easily record their hours of work, whether these hours are performed in the office, on the street, while travelling or at home. The hours information can be uploaded to a spreadsheet to check for compliance with the working time regulation. At one of the early workshops, Professor Brian Villa, a renowned expert on the effects of sleep deficiency in the US police and military, provided an overview of the current state of knowledge in the field, together with the results of his latest research. Brian is at Washington State University and is a former police officer.